I forgot my microphone. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Thanks for joining me for another lesson in Love to Lead, Become the Leading Lady of Your Life. Tonight, we are going to do, this is called a screen sharing video. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. It's free. You can pay for it if you want. The free version allows you to record video and audio, as well as your screen. 3. If you choose to upgrade your account, you can record for longer than 15 minutes, and you can choose to record the sounds your computer makes. There is the limit that it's not going to record any sounds my computer makes, and it's going to cut me off at 15 minutes. But that's just fine, because you guys know me. These lessons are like 6 to 15 minutes. I think the longest I've gone is 15 minutes, and the shortest has been 6. But here we go. What I'm going to show you right now is how to open an Aweber account so we can begin your autoresponder as a piece of automation. Those were a whole bunch of sneak tips, keywords right there. Automation, autoresponder. I don't remember the other keyword. All right, so let's go into Aweber here. Oh, look, my session expired. So the last lesson we talked about being able to be an affiliate. And that's, I shared, Aweber is one of the companies I'm an affiliate with, and here they call it an advocate. So I make a commission when I refer someone to Aweber using my link. It's a very small commission, it's a very small percentage, but it adds up the more people you refer. So I'm actually going to log in as, I'm going to log in as myself. So what you want to do is create an account. If you don't have an account, it's very inexpensive. It's like free for the first 30 days, like $19 a month, I believe. I think $19. It's very inexpensive. All right. Here's the back office of my Aweber. As you can see, across the top, we have dashboard, messages, subscribers, sign-up forms, landing pages, reports, list options. Over here, you have your account, your team hub. You can give your team access to this. So you're using the same autoresponder. Your profile, and obviously log out. Integrations, we can hook it up with plugins that will allow you to use it with your websites. All these great things we're going to go through, but tonight we really just want to get it set up, and you want to start that by creating your list. So when you click up here at lists, it's going to show you all my lists. All my lists are active. I'm ridiculous. I have tons of lists because I am a business creator, or I help people with setup. And what I've found is because I've chosen to help folks with setup, I have stayed in the setup stage of my business for way too long. And that's another reason that I have launched this course called Love to Lead, Become the Leading Lady of Your Life, because I'm stepping into my own power, and I'm going to become the leading lady of my life along with you while we take this journey. I am giving you skills and tips and sneak tips and processes and schedules and routines and all these things that work for me. The goal is to help you figure out what is going to work for you. Okay? All right. So we're going to create a list. We're going to call it Love to Lead. Look at that. It's already here. Set up your list. How did they know? I feel that's weird. How did they know? I no longer have this email. I now have, what one do I have? Let's look. Oh, you guys get to see all the real world now. What's really going on? I have, what is my Outlook program connected to? I should stop. I'm going to get off track. This is what happens. So let's go back here and I'll show you. Boom. Ooh, pardon me. Client work. You don't need to see that. Proof I do client work. Oh, look, there's my old addresses. When you're setting up your Aweber, you do have to have a company name. Well, you're welcome to use your own name. You should have a website. If you see here, I used the group link from my Facebook group. Yes, I did. And there's my address, my name, and this, like I said, I don't have access to this one anymore. Oh, I do have Sarah at Success Despite the Storm. So, what would you like to name your list? 30 lesson course. Love to Lead. So, and down here I'm going to give it description. Become the leading lady of your life in this 30 lesson course designed to help you, not help you, I don't like that word, designed to walk you through connecting with your, oh, I had that on the back of something. There goes. Watch this. This course is designed to walk you through your own alignment process. Alignment. Walk you through your own alignment journey while firmly creating a solid belief in yourself and showing you exactly how to take consistent action in your business to get the results you've always dreamed of. I misspelled consistent. So here, your confirmation message. So when they subscribe to your list, they're going to get a confirmation message before they get your first piece of content. So you want to customize the confirmation message. Right here, it's going to plug in their name. Please click the button below. Let's leave it just the same. Let's leave it just the same. Approve and create message. You can customize. You don't have to. We can keep it very, very simple. Hi there. So now here's my list. Now I'm in the list. So the way to bounce between different lists, you click your lists. Here, do you see? I just built it. There it is, active. We're going to click on it. Now I can edit it. I'm going to add a message. I like the drag and drop. We're building an email list. We're writing our first letter. Do you see this? We built an email list, and now we're writing our first letter. Awesome. Welcome to your course. And I'm just going to save it. We're going to save and exit because I want to show you. There it is. Welcome to your course. Send options, schedule a broadcast, or add to a follow-up series. So a broadcast can go out whenever you want it to. It can go out now, it can go out later, you can schedule it whenever you want it to. Add to a follow-up series means this, once they subscribe to this follow-up series, they will get the follow-up series once a day, and once every other day, once a week, whatever you tell it to send it to. You can customize the drip feed here. It's an amazing, amazing tool. I love this. And I'm excited to set it up for you if you don't enjoy the setup process. That is something that I can offer as a skill to you, that as a resource to you. And by the way, outsourcing, there's no shame in it. You do not have to do everything to set up your business. You can completely pay someone to set up your business for you. But this course is designed to allow you to learn and do it for yourself. So here, this is how we add it to your list. Sign up forms. This is how we add subscribers to that list. Hi. Thank you, dear. I appreciate it very much. Create a sign-up form. Look, templates, designs, publish. Very, very, very simple and easy process to follow here. All right, I'm going to cut it short here because I want to see how far you get. Can you follow the tutorials here, follow the step-by-step on Aweber to create your first subscription box? That's the challenge for tonight. Create a subscription and create a welcome email, so that folks start getting your emails, because we don't want to add people until you've set up these two pieces. We want a sign-up form and a welcome letter and an email list. So that's 3 things. Open your list, do a welcome letter, and create a sign-up form. That's your homework. Will you do it? Can you do it? Would you like to outsource it? This has to get done to move forward, ladies. Let's do this together.